Hey guys, welcome to KuCoin's margin trading tutorial. In our previous session, we have already talked about how to amplify your gains by borrowing up to 9x the collateral in your margin trading account and how to repay loans in a correct way to avoid unnecessary asset loss. So now that we are well prepared, what shall we do next? In our today's session, we're going to talk about how to long cryptos on KuCoin margin trading. And we will cover the following key points in our today's session. When to place a long order. What is the process for longing cryptos on KuCoin margin? How to place a market or limit order. How to check your P&L. And how to close a position. Can I close it with one click? If this is something you're looking for, please subscribe to KuCoin's YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to follow our future updates. So the first question is when to place a long position. Normally, during a bull market, we can long any cryptos to make a profit. But during a sideways market, you can also long certain cryptos to make a profit when your price prediction is consistent with the market trend. The overall process is quite clear. First, you need to transfer assets to the margin account. Second, you can borrow funds to amplify your profits. If you need a tutorial on how to borrow funds and repay loans, you can click here to check out the step-by-step guide. Third, you can choose to open a long position with a market order or limit order. I'll explain each in the next slide. And next step is to close your position to take a profit. And the last step is repay your loans. There are two order types to choose from when you place a long order. You can set up a market order or a limit order. A market order means the system will place the buy order for you at the best market price. While for a limit order, you need to enter a limit price, and the order will only be executed when the limit price is reached. Let's now start practicing. First, go to KuCoin.com and click Trade, then click Margin Trading. On the margin trading page, you can select your target token pair and enter your 6-digit trading password. So for instance, I have chosen KCS USDT trading pair. On the same page, you can select your margin trading type, margin account type like the cross margin or isolated margin. If you don't have any funds in account, then you can click transfer to transfer assets first. Say if you already have collaterals in your account, then you can directly click borrow to borrow funds to amplify your gains. On the borrow page, you can check out the token and the maximum amount of assets you can borrow. For instance, if you want to long KCS, then you will borrow USDT. When you've completed the process, you can click Confirm to proceed. Here, you can check out the market price performance and the market depth of KCS USDT trading pair, and then place your order based on your price prediction. Then you can either choose to place a limit order or a market order. Here, if you want to place a limit order, you need to enter the limit price in USDT, the amount of KCS, and then click Buy to place the order. Since the limit order will only be triggered when the limit price is reached, the order we just placed will appear in the Open Order section. If you want to place a market order, you just need to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy and click Buy to place the order. Then the order will be executed immediately based on the optimal market price. Therefore, you can find your order in the order history. On this page, you can check your debt ratio. As we have explained in the How to Borrow Funds session, it is better for you to keep the debt ratio away from 96% to avoid liquidations. And profit and loss is only available to check in the isolated margin account. And you can check the real-time P&L stats after opening a position. Next, let's check out how to close a long position. We can close a long position either with a market price or limit price. So simply speaking, if the current price is lower than your expected execution price, then you can set a limit order in order to close your position. But if you think the current market price is ideal and you want to close the position immediately, then you can choose the market price. How to do that? If you want to close at a market price, then click Market. And remember that you need to place the order in the Sell section and enter the amount of KCS you want to sell, then click Sell button to proceed. If you have borrowed some assets, then you click Repay to pay back the borrowing and accrued interest. If you want to close a long position with a limit order, then click Limit. In the Sell section, enter your expected limit price and enter the amount of KCS you want to sell, and then click Sell to proceed. When you're done, just click Repay to pay back your loans if there's any. Now we actually have an easier option to close with one click at KuCoin app. The web end temporarily does not support the function. We just need to click Close Position and choose whether you want to keep USDT or the token after you close the position. And that's it, simple and quick. Finally, here are some tips for you. At KuCoin Margin, you can check out P&L in isolated margin account after opening a position. And P&L is critical for you to control risks and decide when to stop loss or take profit. We will explain how to stop loss and take profit in the future session in this series. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions about margin trading, or if you want to discuss about anything on KuCoin margin trading, you can leave us a comment below. If you want to meet with other margin traders like you, I've put a Telegram group link for margin trading in the description for you to check out. If you like our content, please don't forget to smash the subscription and the like button to help our video out, and we will continue to make more margin trading videos for you in the future. In our next session, we will go into talk about how to short cryptos on KuCoin margin. Thanks for watching. Happy trading on KuCoin, and I'll see you next time.